Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your tax identification number in StockX. Now, so what you want to do, you want to go to your account on the upper right hand side. So hover over it and click on your profile. And under this section, just simply scroll down to where you find VAT. Now, in your country, it might say something else, but in Europe, this is going to show VAT, right? So you want to go ahead and click on view, and you will be able to see that if you don't have any, it's going to allow you to edit it or allow you to add it in. So as you can see right here, it says edit. So I'm going to simply click on it because there's no ID. So once I click on edit, it will allow me to quickly fill in these details here. And you will see that you need to go through the verification process. So here it will show, it will say begin verification. So you want to go ahead and you'll say, okay, I'm an individual, I'm a business. Go ahead and fill in the details that you need to, select your country and so forth. So once you do that, in my case, I'm going to choose Czech Republic. I'm going to go ahead and just click continue right here. You need to accept the consent agreement. So you want to do that, and you want to fill in your business name. So in my case, this is just my name. So I'm going to fill in my name right here, and then I will enter my VAT number. And once you go ahead and fill in this, just go ahead and click on continue and proceed, and you'll be able to add your VAT number in your StockX accounts. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.